Hey y'all, I'm Carolyn. I'm a mama, a brand new mama of an 8-month-old little baby boy and a new parent along with my husband. We are stressed and tired of watching our savings dwindle down to nothing as we've become parents. Parenting is hard. It's hard enough to go through the huge transformation of becoming a mother to another being and mothering them and yourselves into the world, and becoming parents as a couple that absolutely changes the dynamic of your relationship, and also worrying about finances, watching your bank account just dwindle down to nothing, wondering how you're going to pay for the business expenses of the business that your heart's in, but you can't afford to pay for because you don't have the time to put in enough hours to work a business. As a new parent, you're exhausted. You're not sleeping. You barely get to go to the bathroom on your own. That's where we've been. And that's why I luckily came across this program called Legacy Builders. I was tired of watching every month as I just took the money that was gaining interest out of our savings account and paid the bills with it, paid our rent with it, paid for groceries with it. Everything is inflated, the cost of every single thing. And if you're a person like me who want to be in service to the world, but don't have the time to devote to creating all the things, all the systems and writing all the content and creating your own product to even sell in the online world. You just don't have time. You don't have the energy. And because you're exhausted, you're out of ideas, and you're stressed about it. You need something right now that makes a difference. I want to share that with you. This is what I've discovered. I'm actually come from a content marketing and strategy background. And so when I discovered Legacy Builders, it is an opportunity for me to play with some edges that I haven't played with and, increase my skill and just learn from someone who's proven out their method and share that with other mamas and parents who are struggling right now to raise a child in this incredibly expensive and incredibly chaotic world. This program, it's 100% profit. You don't create the products. You get the master resale rights to 4 different products if you want. These are e-courses, and the e-learning industry is huge industry right now. Tons of people are trying to up-level their skills. They're trying to make it in an incredibly competitive market. I know if you're a mama, you've probably tried to get a job or you're just trying to find some work, and it's really hard. Nobody wants to employ a mama. They want us to somehow do it all on our own without any support. And you might not have community support. You may not even have parents in the picture. Like me. This program gives you a way to take a product that is proven and sells, that you can believe in and get behind, and that people can take and create something completely new from. That's part of the beauty of it. So if you're in service to the world, you have an idea, you just don't know how to get it off the ground, it's a great way to get into the practice of working just 2 hours a day, really honing your time. I don't know if you've ever heard of Pareto's principle, but if you spend 20% of activities that generate the most income, you can be more effective with way less energy, because I know you don't have a lot. So Legacy Builders offers a blueprint for getting your business up and running, giving you a product that's amazing and a community that's amazing that you can build your business in and be supported all along the journey, collectively and collaboratively, to create generative income for your little family and help you let go of the stress that is invading every moment you have with your little one. I'm out here on the deck right now because this is the only moment I have. And I just want to share this with you. If you are a mama or a parent and you want a way, a hope, a strategy, and a blueprint to make more money, to support your family and create savings again, to put money back into the family again, to invest in your future again, to potentially create a retirement fund again, let me know if you're ready by saying ready in the comments. I hope to see you soon.